Jacky's gamepad actually incorporates all elements of engineering. He had to design his pad mechanically, he had to do electrical wiring, and even though the documentation doesn't call for it, he had to rewrite the configuration files that are uploaded to his device's firmware.
Okay, hi, my name is Jacky. I'm a rising senior at Lowell High School, and for my starter project, I built a mini grand piano, and for my main project, I built an arcade cabinet that can emulate multiple arcade games. And I chose this project because I like to play video games, and I thought it would be cool to make a machine that can emulate like some old games that I played when I was little. So here's the demo. Much of a game.
Want me to play with you?
Sure.
Right.
Yeah, just to show the two-player functionality.
You're gonna lose.
Yeah, we know that.
No, I know. Okay, I'm gonna press buttons. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm winning. No, I'm not. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Bruce Lee.
Okay, right. So basically how this arcade machine works is that all these buttons and each direction of the joystick is wired to an iPad, which is like a board for inputs, and it's connected to the Raspberry Pi. And when I press a button, it sends a signal to the iPad, which like sends instructions to the Raspberry Pi. And basically under here, let me show you. Under here, I have a bunch of wires here. Wow. So each button and each direction there's an input, and I wire it to the iPad, and then there's also a ground chain which goes to each button and joystick, and then it goes into the ground terminal. And this is basically like a reference point to measure voltage. And some of the difficulties I had with this project, obviously, with the wiring, there's like over 100 wires in here, and sometimes it got kind of confusing. And when I first wired the joysticks in, like it didn't like say which direction was which, so I sort of had a hard time figuring it out. And like when I first plugged it in, like up became right, and then right became down, and sort of like that. So I had to rewire all of it. And basically that's it, how it works. And for modifications, I added LEDs inside these buttons to make all them light up, and I also added a cabinet door, like I just showed that first, so that I can close it when I want to play, and I can open it whenever I want to change the wires. That's pretty much it. Yes. Okay. Before coming to Bluestown, I had little experience with engineering. I had a lot of experience with coding though, and by doing this project, I learned a lot about like electrical works and stuff like soldering, wiring, and all that stuff. And in the future, I'm definitely considering engineering as a major.
What's your favorite game to play?
South one.
Voices.
Mario. Oh yeah, it's like a sort of mini programmable computer.
Yeah, so it looks like you hardwired all the buttons, but could you have like, you know, hooked it up to be, you know, software programmable to some kind of like, you know, Arduino or, you know.
Oh yeah. So I could, but like on Arduino, I don't know if it will be powerful enough to run it like games. So Raspberry Pi is like sort of like an Arduino. It's a lot more powerful.
Okay.
Do you have any difficulties with, because I noticed you have like hundreds of wires, do you have any difficulties with wires falling off?
Oh yeah. Like sometimes the wires were just falling off, and I just like put solder everywhere to make sure it stays.
Awesome.